If your business only works when you do, you don't own a business. You own a job with overhead. So here's the deal. In my life, I've hit 3 big income milestones. Each has taught me countless lessons. Today, let's talk about businesses being dependent on their owner and why that's a problem. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how my first successful online business collapsed, explain the biggest hidden bottleneck that is keeping small business owners and founders small, and share a framework that can help you break free from that bottleneck and see growth with less chaos. Hi, I'm the AI video clone of Jason Bevel. Jason believes in systems, so while he's spending time working with clients right now, I am starring in today's video. The real Jason personally dialed in and crafted every word in this video. So while I'm not him, this video will be packed with value. Stick around. My first online business grew fast. We had some serious issues in the beginning. $20,000 worth of unsellable inventory to start with, to name one thing. However, in 2014, after struggling until October, we cracked the code. I learned how to rank products on Amazon. That Christmas season was the most exciting time I've had in business in a while. In just over a month of really making sales, I believe we did $90,000 in sales after struggling all year. From there, the business took off. We were adding products. We were selling more and more every month until we were doing right around $1 million a year in sales, and then everything started falling apart. See, I am not afraid of working hard. My dad instilled that in me as a kid. But the flaw that I didn't see was that I was building a machine that would lead to 9 months of illness, followed by years of chronic health issues. This was a $1 million machine without systems in place, processes to guide my small team, and a million things done manually without enough time to do it all. I used to jokingly say that I wish I could clone myself. And yes, I recognize the irony in my clone now saying that. In reality, I thought I needed to clone myself because I was stretched way too thin. And while I had a few people working for me, none of them had to maintain or grow the business without me in it every day. If I wasn't there for a day, things wouldn't fall apart, but they definitely wouldn't grow either. So honestly, I was overloaded, overwhelmed, pushing myself beyond my limits, and treating my body terribly in response to the stress I was under. So what happened when I started to crack? The business did too. Everything lived in my head. Every decision was dependent on me. After being sick for 9 months straight, I closed that brand down and moved on to work with a client I had at the time. So there it is, the hidden bottleneck, devious as ever, hiding in plain sight. If your business depends on one person, any one person, you have a serious problem. I thought I had control by being the one everyone needed for direction, but I was stretched beyond sustainable capacity until I couldn't bear it anymore. I used to think I was invincible, but my body proved that it wouldn't take endless abuse in the name of business growth. So I ask you, if your body gave up today, would your business survive and thrive or crash and burn? When your body gives up like mine did, you have to find a smarter way to work. That is what led me to focusing on systems, structure, process, and team. From 2019 until 2023, I worked with an e-commerce brand owner that owned multiple brands and developed a framework that I help my clients with now. This simple 3-step framework can transform your business from being dependent on you to running 100% without you, if you want it to. The first stage is document. The second is delegate. And the third is to automate. When I say document, I mean that you need to get the processes you and your team do out of your heads. They should be clearly laid out in standard operating procedures, which should be reviewed and updated periodically. You don't have to overthink this. Just use Loom to record a video, and if you subscribe to their paid tiers, you can ask it to create a document right from your recording. Even if you don't put it in a written document, a video is a good start. Next time you need a day off, someone can watch the video instead of waiting for you to get back. The second step, honestly, could be automate or delegate. This is because very simple things with automation systems today might be worth automating before you even hand them off. There are things I can have the Comet internet browser from Perplexity do automatically that would have taken me or a virtual assistant hours to do. That said, I mentioned Delegate second because I think it's better to hand a documented process off to someone who can automate it, or to another person, than to do most tasks yourself. You should keep your highest value tasks and work towards automating and delegating everything else. If it can't be automated, or would be too difficult to automate currently, projects and tasks can be delegated to your current team or freelancers globally who can complete those things without you. If you need a freelance assistant or specialist, platforms like Upwork or Online Jobs are great, but keep in mind that you need to vet people you are going to work with. If you would rather skip the vetting, I often help clients by providing pre-vetted candidates for them to review, interview, and hire. If my vetting assistance is available, you'll find a link to it in the video description. Finally, when it comes to automating tasks, you need to look at what your current systems and tools include. Many are starting to include more AI-powered features and automation capabilities. There are several workflow automation tools on the market today. Some of the most popular are Make, N8N, and Zapier. Essentially, all CRM software tools have workflow automation built in for automating many marketing and sales tasks. I will be talking about all of these tools and doing in-depth walkthroughs on how to set up systems for your business on this channel. At the end of the day, I believe God gives us the ability to build and create, but I don't believe it's His intention that you spend your life babysitting chaos. He also designed our lives and growth in a way that it's more about what we let go of that makes room for our growth. So my recommendation, whether you're a person of faith or not, is to build systems and processes that turn your business into an asset, not a liability. If you're done being the system, I want to help you on your journey. I am going to be packing this channel full of systems and processes you can plug and play in your business immediately to save you time and energy, and ultimately to help you grow and scale your business with less chaos. Check the description for links to tools and resources you can use now. If this video helped you, give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel for videos like this and in-depth walkthroughs from the real me. Thanks for watching.